I want to start looking back over the weekend. I was able to head out to Crater Lake on Saturday under our magnificent weekend weather here. You can see blue skies over the lake, Wizard Island there in the back, not a cloud in the sky. So this weekend was an excellent week to visit a national park. And in fact, this whole week is celebrating national parks. It is National Park Week. So I was thankful to be able to get out there and get some views of this lake. Right now in this part of the season here, there's still a lot of snow across the Rim Drive. Only a portion of it, a very small portion, is open. So if you do head out there, you'll likely only get to drive in a couple miles, and that's about it. But some beautiful views over the weekend. Love seeing Wizard Island. It was my third or so time being at Crater Lake. Just a gorgeous area across Oregon. We saw some nice weather over the weekend. We hit the 80s both Saturday and Sunday. As we kick off this week, we'll see slightly cooler temperatures. And starting this morning, we're seeing a mild morning here. Low 40s down the valley in Portland. Many of our cities here in the Portland metro area are sitting in the low to upper 40s. So a calm start. Notice out towards the coast, we're also getting those clouds filtering on in. Heading into today, those clouds will start to thicken and we'll see a mainly cloudy afternoon. Even the chance for a slight drizzle towards the coast by this evening, but not for all. We'll see mainly dry conditions out there. In Portland today, we remain dry. There's your view out towards Stoller Winery as we kick off this morning. We're under the sun now. Those clouds are still out towards the coast and not quite into Portland just yet, but through today we will see some clouds pushing in. So this afternoon we'll see those clouds on the increase and a mostly cloudy finish to our day. Temperature is still working into the low 70s though, so we're expecting some pleasant and warm temperatures by the afternoon. Quick look at some stats so far this April. We are very dry. This month in total we've only seen 9/100 of an inch of rain. We typically see over 2 inches of rain, and we're missing about 1.5 inches so far into the month, and we've seen 8 consecutive dry days if you include today. We saw record heat there on Saturday. This whole month is running above normal by about 1.7 degrees, and 83% of our state is in a drought, which again poses concern as we move into our summertime for forest fires. So we should all still be mindful at this point in the year with all this dry weather in place to avoid burning if there are burn bans in your county, and just be very careful out there with fires. We're so dry. So here's our weather pattern. This ridge of high pressure is extending well to the north. It's breaking down a bit over our region and losing some strength, but it rebuilds into Tuesday and Wednesday. So we're still under a pattern of dry weather for much of the week. This blocking ridge again right over the Pacific. It's not allowing any systems to roll in. It just blocks out the weather here and the rain. So we stay dry at least until Friday. By the time we hit Friday night into Saturday, this trough starts to build, and this is the pattern that allows for surface weather systems and some rain to roll back in. So right now on Saturday, there is a chance for rain back in the region and cooler temperatures. So that will be good to see in our region after so many dry days, but at least until Friday, we're expecting dry weather. Here's our temperature trend. Low to mid 70s through Wednesday. Then we cool down. By the weekend, we'll likely be in the upper 50s to about the low 60s. There's your view of Lincoln City. Again, we're seeing those clouds filtering into the coast already. A nice big cloud deck out towards the beaches. We'll see the low 60s to upper 50s out towards the coast today, possibly an evening light drizzle, likely staying dry for many. In the valley today, low 70s and still very pleasant. So take advantage of this weather. Beautiful week ahead. Here's your 7-day forecast. Again, dry through Friday. Chance for rain arrives as we head into our weekend. Back to you guys.
All right. Thanks, Kelly. It is